is extremely disturbing for India and every citizen of this country. The OIC passed a resolution. And in that resolution they said, and I will read that particular excerpt, condemns in the strongest possible terms recent wave of Indian terrorism. Mark the phrase, Indian terrorism in occupied Jammu and Kashmir, that have resulted in the deaths of 48 people in the month of November alone, making 2018 one of the deadliest years in the history of occupied Jammu and Kashmir, in more than a decade, with over 450 casualties. We would like to ask the Prime Minister of India, we would like to ask the External Affairs Minister of India, is this your diplomatic achievement? That you got India labeled as a terrorist state? Are we occupiers in Jammu and Kashmir? You got India labeled as an occupier in Jammu and Kashmir? Is this your great diplomatic achievement? That you go to the OIC meeting, you lend legitimacy to them. There is a reason why India had chosen to deliberately ignore these meetings of the OIC over the past so many decades. And what do you get in return? You get a resolution calling India a terrorist state. You get a resolution saying that we are in occupation of Jammu and Kashmir. You get a resolution which states that the OIC appeals to other member states and Islamic institutions to provide humanitarian aid to the Kashmiri people. Are we not capable of looking after our people? And is this humanitarian assistance a euphemism for what? Support to terror activities in Jammu and Kashmir? The Indian National Congress would like to categorically and unequivocally state that the NDA BJP government sold the national interest in Abu Dhabi.